Good afternoon and welcome. It's Jilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast on a very sunny, beautiful day. I just wanted to show you this piece that I resined because somebody asked me to show the dry piece. It's a bit dusty already. Yeah, somebody asked me to show them the dry piece, so I embellished it with a few little diamantes in there just to see how they would set in the resin, and it's absolutely beautiful, sparkly, gorgeous. I'm very happy with it, so I want to do a large one, but I might go up a few sizes and try, but the colors are just perfect for my lounge room, so I am very happy with the result of that. And that was the little heart of leftover, it was leftover resin, so I poured it into one of the silicone cake molds that I have. And then of course I put a few little diamantes in there because if you know me, I love sparkle. So there you go, I was asked to show that, so there you go. It's all gorgeous, very happy with it. Rightio, on with the gloves. I've got my cells of another description, my Nescafe frothy coffee. And no, I don't get paid or advertise for Nescafe. I just enjoy having my cup of coffee in my art room while I'm all alone and painting. It's nothing better. So today I mixed this colour just white and then I added my deep sea to it. So it's gone kind of this really nice pepperminty kind of green. So I love the deep sea colour, so I thought it would be nice having a canvas that's half and half white and half of this deep sea. I will explain what my colours are as I go. But I suppose I really should put an apron on because I'm going to do some blowing around with the hairdryer. This is white that I already have made up. So let's just pour some of this on so much of the canvas where I want to do my split. Ooh, that looks really runny, hey? Really runny. But I reckon it's better to do Dutch pours with runny paint or watery paint, so there you go. That might be a bit too runny, but I will try it. You never know, it might work out perfect for me because I get this runny paint bizzo. I can't seem to feel content with having the paint so runny. I feel I need to thicken it up, but it works for lots of other artists, so who am I? Okie doke, that looks good. Go with that for now. My pouring medium and instructions how to make it, there's a link in the drop down box and also a written instruction. So this is the other. Oh, look at this colour. See, this one is, oh, I don't know how I'm going to go with this because this one is obviously a lot thicker. I need to water that down, but I will give it a try as you do. That is absolutely gorgeous colour. I don't mind this little bit of the strong colour running through it because it'll get mixed in. Let's see, just mix it a little bit more. Well, I hope you guys are all healthy and well, and if you're not, I really hope that you take care of you or you have somebody that does take care of you. That's a really nice plus. But if you haven't, you're feeling sad or lonely or anything as such, please seek help from a helpline, family or friend. And I do feel it's important to say this in this day and age because often when you are feeling not good, down, you forget about your family and friends that would love to step in and help you or simply have a chat, cup of tea and a good time. Makes all the difference. Alrighty. Oops, she said. Love those colours. Just hoping that oh, now look what I've done. Silly Jilly. That white is very watery. Oh, I don't know how I'm going to go with that, but we'll just try. Rightio, right in. This is just the phthalo blue, so I'm going to put some of that in there. Phthalo blue. I am going to go the ultraviolet. Just a little bit here and there. I am going to put in some of this is the Berry Delicious. It looks almost black. This is the one that I custom make out of phthalo blue. Well, I'll start with dark cherry, or dark red, should I say. And then I'll put phthalo blue and a good blob of black in. And you will see that it is definitely a dark cherry. And then this is the deep sea that I mixed with this white here. So looking forward to seeing what that colour comes out like on there. Ooh. Now, do I or don't I need some gold in there? Should I just put a bit? This is metallic gold. And as usual, for a Dutch pour, I always seem to load my canvas with way too much paint, but I'm gonna give it a go. I'll just give it a burst any air bubbles with my heat wand. Rightio. Okay, I've got my dryer. So I'm going to try it on very low first, because somebody said I would do much better to try it on very low. So, wish me luck. I'm going to start. Wow. Wowzers, trousers. Ooh, I like those colours together. Let me see. Oh, wow, 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 wow. I love it. I can't get down that way. I'll try my straw. It's gorgeous. I'm filling too much of the canvas up now. I wish that I'd got a bigger canvas, because I love those colours. They are gorgeous. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I've got... Oh my goodness. It's gorgeous colours, but of course, instead of having some negative space, I've gone and filled up the whole of the canvas, but not that it, there's no rules, is there? There's no rules that said you've got to, but, it is nice to have a little bit of negative space, I suppose. I just don't seem very good at doing negative space. But I am really, really happy with that one. And of course I love my little wispy bits. Got to add a little bit of you into each painting, I believe. I'm happy with that. Very, very happy. I will bring you down and see what you think, but that is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Well, here we are up close. It's gorgeous, but I have just filled up so much of the canvas, but it does actually look quite stunning. I am so happy with this, so hoping that it all dries well, considering there was like one runny paint side with the white and the not so runny with the custom colour I did. But I mean, look at some of the cells in there. I haven't even gone over it with a gun yet, the heat one. I did that at the start, remember. I'm noticing, see, there is a little bit of crazing there, so I'm not sure. I think that white paint is just way too thin, because I reckon that'll crack when it dries. I might try and remove that and just try and blow over that bit with some thicker white, maybe. But overall, I absolutely love the colours, and I hope you do too. Thank you so much for joining me. Just take care of yourselves, people. Be kind, and until tomorrow, because I'm here every single day, bye for now.